tractor ride?
I think he wants to give tractor rides. I said that'd be scary. Oh, can you get down? Where are you heading to now? Where are you going to? Where are you going to? Well, get on the tractor then. Did you think he wanted on there? Oh, you can get on. You got up before. Can you get there? Okay. Okay. Taking a video of you. Taking a video of you. Look here. Look here. Look here. Let me tell him it's Keegan gonna take the kids on a tractor ride. Are you gonna take the kids on a tractor ride? Are you gonna take the kids on a tractor ride?
No.
No. Who are you gonna take on a tractor ride then?
No.
Don't keep on doing that.
Got it.
Oh, you aren't gonna start it. What? Off, yeah. You gonna take people on a tractor ride? No.
No.
Why not? They're gonna be sad that you don't take them on a tractor ride.
Huh?
They're gonna be sad then.
Dad.
They're gonna be sad.
Dad.
Yeah.
Dad.
Yep. They're gonna be sad.
Huh?
Get your tractor running so you can take them on a ride. Get it running.
Dad.
Get it running.
No.
No.
Hey.
What noise does a tractor make? What noise does a tractor make?
Out.
Loud noise.
Yeah. Ow. Door.
Yeah.